The ultimate revenge is proving to them that they didn't break you. Instead, they made you stronger. The good you do will never go to waste, so even if it goes unnoticed, do good anyway. Do not mind anything that anyone tells you about anyone else. Judge everyone and everything for yourself. Not everyone deserves your new version. You took too much to heal yourself. Be demanding about who has access to you. If he is continuously checking on you several times a week without any genuine reason, that's when you know he is all yours. You can close your eyes to things you don't want to see, but you cannot close your heart to things you don't want to feel. The best and most beautiful things in this world cannot be seen or even heard, but must be felt with the heart. There comes a time when you have to stop crossing oceans for people who wouldn't even jump puddles for you. If you can't be a pencil to write anyone's happiness, then try to be a nice eraser to remove their sadness. You can die from fear because the body releases a large amount of adrenaline, which can be toxic in high amounts. The most effective revenge is to disregard them and concentrate on your own personal growth and success. We are the average of the people we spend time with. Surround yourself with good people to be a good person. It takes a lot of courage to push through hard times. Never give up. Good things are coming your way. Don't let emotions affect your life, no matter if those emotions are your own or someone else's. Sleeping directly after studying helps you remember what you have learned better. There comes a time in your life when you have to choose to turn the page, write another book, or simply close it. Closed doors protect you from things not meant for you. You are allowed to do what's best for you, even if it upsets people. Remove the "I want you to like me" sticker from your forehead and place it on the mirror, where it belongs. Don't ignore the effort of someone who tries to keep in touch. It is not always that someone cares. People are more honest when physically tired, which is why most people confess things during late-night conversations. Life is not about being rich, being popular, being highly educated, or being perfect. It's about being real, humble, and kind. The reason why some people are so kind is that the world has been so unkind to them, and they don't want others to feel that way. Do not let the shadows of your past darken the doorstep of your future. Don't hold on to anyone who's leaving, otherwise you won't meet the one who's coming. Women like to think more about what they love throughout the entire day. Maturity is when you love someone deeply, but you don't pressurize them to love you back. When a woman replaces you with peace and not another man, it signifies that she has found contentment within herself. The great courageous act that we must all do is to have the courage to step out of our history and past so that we can live our dreams. The true test of a man's character is what He does when no one is watching. When you start taking care of yourself, you start feeling better, looking better, and even attracting better. The ultimate revenge is refusing to let their actions define your identity. The ultimate revenge is finding happiness as it has the power to unsettle them. Nothing is more satisfying than reaching the level of self-love, so that when someone walks out of your life, you let them. It underscores the empowerment that comes from taking control of one's own happiness and refusing to be subjected to further negativity or toxicity. It doesn't matter how slowly you go, as long as you do not stop. Someday you will achieve. People are more honest when physically tired, which is why most people confess things during late-night conversations. If you are neutral in situations of injustice, you have chosen the side of the oppressor. Your best teacher is your last mistake. Today is the beginning of anything you want. People don't decide their future, they decide their habits, and their habits decide their future. Keep love in your heart. A heart without love is like a sunless garden when the flowers are dead. Your hard work will pay off, the right people will show up, and your dreams will come true. You never heal a person who keeps using their pain as an excuse to hurt you. Trust is built over the life of a relationship, but can be lost in an instant if you're not careful. The ultimate revenge is to learn from their mistakes and avoid repeating them, and is to move forward, release the past, and find happiness. Say what you feel. It's not about being rude. It's called being real. When a woman is talking to you about her problems, she is likely not looking for an answer, but just wants someone to listen. Life becomes easier when you learn to accept the apology you never got. The ultimate revenge is to rise above and not seek revenge at all, embodying maturity and grace.